Buenos dias. Okay, so this week we are going to work with fruit vocabulary, other food vocabulary, and we're going to work in the verb to go. So let me say these for you and then I'll give you a screenshot with the vocab. So we have cereza, durazno, fresa, fruta, limón, possibly limón verde, manzana, naranja, piña, plátano, sandía, tomate, toronja, uvas, arroz, azúcar, cereal, comida basura, comida chatarra, hamburguesa, hamburguesa con queso, huevo, mantequilla, pan, pan tostado, papas fritas, perro caliente, pimienta negra, pizza, maybe pizza, but as long as it's pizza, queso, sal, sándwich de, sopa, taco, tortilla. If you had a corn tortilla, it'd be a tortilla de maíz. And if you had a flour tortilla, that would be tortilla de harina. Just be careful if you say harina because you don't want to say arena, because then you just said you had a tortilla made out of sand. I don't think that would taste very good. And finally, you have yogur. Okay, so here is the fruit vocabulary all on one screen. And then here is your other vocabulary. Some of these are ingredients. You've got salt and sugar, and if you wanted to do, where'd it go? If you wanted to do like a cheese sandwich, you would go un sándwich de queso. Same thing with that hamburger. You could do a hamburger with cheese, una hamburguesa con queso. If you wanted strawberry yogurt, yogur de fresas, things like that. Okay, so all of those, you could use that verb comer. So I eat cereal for breakfast. So yo como el cereal para desayuno. I don't eat many French fries. No como muchas papas fritas. You could review the verb to like, which was on last week's video. So I like tomato soup. Me gusta la sopa de tomate. I don't like junk food. No me gusta la comida basura. Okay, so today's new verb that we're going to do is not an AR verb. It's not an ER. IR, it's not the verb gustar. It's actually going to be down here and it's an irregular verb. So what that means is it's not going to follow necessarily the same pattern that we had before. I can't just drop my ending and put something back as I could with my ARs, ERs, or IRs. The verb that we're going to do today is the verb to go. And you have actually seen this verb when we watched a song that said puedo ir al baño. And maybe you remember that puedo ir al baño is, can I go to the bathroom? So am I able to go to the bathroom? Well, looking at how short this verb is, ir, if I were to drop the ending, I am left with nothing else. Okay, so that's one of the reasons I know it's an irregular verb. So the IR does go away unless I was trying to say the verb to go, like I need to go either to the bathroom, to Walmart. So the first form is VOY. You might say voy, you might say boy with a B. And then we have vas. And then it kind of starts to look like a normal verb ending that I know, even though it is an irregular verb. Okay, so we have voy, vas, va, vamos, van. And we're going to hear a song in a second where the teacher says "Voy vas, vamos van," followed by an "a." So if you're saying the word to, like a little to, I'm going to Walmart, I'm going to study my Spanish, I'm going to the restaurant. If you say the word in English to, as in to, you're going to have it with the extra a. So voy vas, vamos van, followed by an a. Okay, so Senor Deem, I'm going to refer to him, no offense, Mr. Deem, as the creepy rap teacher. He is going to sing to you about the verb to go. And don't forget, it's followed by an a.
Voy vas, vamos van. I go, you go, he goes. Voy vas, vamos van. Followed by an a. The verb ir means to go. I am going, you are going, he is going, she is going, we are going, they are going.
And that's really the most important part. So let's go back to the non-rap teacher. Okay, so voy vas, vamos van. I go, you go, he goes. Voy vas, vamos van, followed by an a. So let's come up with some little sentences. If I said I am going to the cafeteria, I could say voy a la cafeteria. And I have this extra a because it said to. I'm going to the cafeteria. I could say, are you going to eat the pizza? Vas a comer la pizza? Okay, and I've got a double verb here, so this says to eat. Remember the back of the ER makes it, or the back of the verb with the ER says to. So vas a comer la pizza? Are you going to eat the pizza? We could do, let's see, she is going, ella va a comer una hamburguesa. She is going to eat a hamburger. Oops, I spelled wrong. Hamburguesa. We are going to study. Vamos a estudiar. Okay. And we could do, they are going to, let's see, ellos van a comer los vegetales. So vegetables are good for you. Okay, so I'm going to the cafeteria, voy a la cafeteria. Are you going to eat the pizza? Vas a comer la pizza? She's going to eat a hamburger. Ella va a comer una hamburguesa. We're going to study. Vamos a estudiar. And they're going to eat the vegetables. Ellos van a comer los vegetales. Okay? In a nutshell, that is your verb to go. And I have a Boom Learning card website that you guys are going to use to complete your assignment. So this is it for the video. You're going to go to the Boom Cards and send me a screenshot when you get to the last one. All right, adios.